Do you need to create a QR code? Well, all you have to do is Google create a QR code, insert the URL, customize, and download the QR code. But is that all though? Today, QR codes are much more than just pixelated black and white squares, whether you are an individual, a business, or an enterprise. So if you think practically, creating, doing basic editing, and downloading a QR code is often not enough. You might want to create a dynamic QR code, do advanced customizations such as adding background images, track data analytics, integrate with your existing tech stack, and use a custom domain, etc. Free QR code generators such as QR Code Monkey often do not offer these features. Now, Beaconstack, on the other hand, has an entire suite of awesome QR code features, and by signing up for our 14-day free trial, you can actually see the benefits for yourself. Also, you can always upgrade to a paid plan once you're sure of its usage for your unique case. Hi, I'm Margot, and today we're going to explore two popular options: Beaconstack QR Code Generator with its free trial and QR Code Monkey's free version in a comparative analysis. So to make things easier for you, we have categorized this video into 7 sections that offer the most essential aspects of a QR code generator, free or paid. Number 1, QR code generation. Number 2, customization. Number 3, design. Number 4, download options. Number 5, security. Number 6, support. Number 7, integrations and API capabilities. And number 8, verdict. Both Beaconstack and QR Code Monkey offer unlimited static QR code generation, but only with Beaconstack you can create download QR codes which are customizable, editable, and trackable. It does it all. They're smart and you can update them with fresh content literally anytime you want. Dynamic QR codes keep your audience engaged, whether it is a new URL, event details, or even a special promotion. All right, let's go ahead and talk about customization, shall we? Both Beaconstack and QR Code Monkey offer customizable and editable QR codes. Now, that basically means that you can add your logo, you can customize your QR code colors, and you can choose from a whole variety of frames. But here's the exciting part. I get really geeked out about this. Beaconstack's real-time preview lets you see your design changes instantly. So there is no need to click a button every single time as you have to do on QR Code Monkey to see the change. So no more tedious workflows for you. And speaking of design, Beaconstack goes the extra mile with custom frames. I love them so much. Moreover, Beaconstack offers custom frames for your QR codes. Now, when it comes to downloading the QR codes, both Beaconstack and QR Code Monkey let you download QR codes in multiple formats. So let's go ahead and dive into analytics and tracking, shall we? All right, with Beaconstack, you're gonna have access to real-time data analytics. This is absolutely invaluable, and the feature empowers you to make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing efforts. Now, unfortunately, QR Code Monkey's free version does not offer any data analytics, none. You cannot track and analyze your QR code's effectiveness. Wah, wah. Now listen up, this next part is important. This is a significant difference between the two. Beaconstack does not bother you with annoying donate now prompts when you're trying to create your free QR code. That is obnoxious. A distraction-free experience allows you to focus on what matters the most. Now, when it comes to handling sensitive data and valuable campaigns, security is paramount. Beaconstack's free trial provides you with the same robust security as its premium version, and it ensures that your data remains protected. Now, on the other hand, QR Code Monkey's free version lacks this level of security, and this makes it so much less suitable for commercial use. Moreover, with Beaconstack, it is not just a one-person show here. You can actually collaborate effortlessly with your team. You could add users, you can create teams to streamline your QR code projects. It is an awesome feature that I personally love. Working together has literally never been easier. Now, unfortunately, QR Code Monkey does not allow team collaboration. When you encounter any issues or have questions, you want reliable support, right? Well, Beaconstack's dedicated customer support team is there to assist you literally every step of the way. Whether you are a QR code novice or you are an experienced marketer, they have got your back. With QR Code Monkey's free version, you might not get the same level of personalized support. And finally, API and integrations, my favorite part. BeaconStack lets you seamlessly integrate your QR codes into your existing tech stack. So whether it is your website, CRM, your email marketing platform, etc., BeaconStack plays well with the others. QR Code Monkey's free version does not offer the same level of integration, limiting its versatility. Now, if you only need a static QR code, then great, both BeaconStack and QR Code Monkey are awesome options. But if you want static QR codes and dynamic QR codes with features and integrations to fit all of your needs, then BeaconStack is the way to go for sure, by a landslide. All right, now we understand that both free and paid QR codes have their place. A free QR code might suffice if you are running a one-time or a casual campaign. However, for commercial use cases where tracking conversions and accessing advanced features are essential, then a paid QR code from BeaconStack is absolutely the way to go, hands down. The investment in a paid plan could yield a much higher return on your marketing efforts. Also, basic static QR code features are forever free on BeaconStack, and it comes with the same industry-leading security as its premium version. So if you want to take your QR code campaigns to the next level, which I am sure you do not settle for limitations, okay? Embrace the advanced features, analytics, and security of BeaconStack's free trial. Try it today and unlock the true potential of your QR codes for your business. Just click the link in the description below to start your BeaconStack free trial and elevate your QR code game. That's right. Also, before you head out, subscribe now, and let's go ahead and shape the future of your business together. All right, y'all, that's it for today. I'll see you next time.